wildlife and game monitoring. From animal counting and species identification to spotting wounded animals, the lists of projects that drones are currently being used for in the wildlife sector continue to grow. There are many reasons why professionals such as environmental engineers and scientific researchers are increasingly using drones, often in place of surveying equipment and traditional aerial imaging services. The benefit of these professionals often mentioned include: drone technology suits conservation and environmental protection applications very well, offering quick, easy and cost-effective aerial imaging on demand. Small and light electric-powered drones, especially fixed-wing aircraft, make little noise and are often bird-shaped, meaning animals on the ground are rarely disturbed by these tools, if they notice them at all. Rotary helicopters and drone systems are best suited to monitoring and charting small areas, enabling operators to capture video imagery and respond to this feedback live, while fixed-wing UAVs allow users to map larger areas in a single autonomous flight.